So pole to pole is a drive from the magnetic north location in the Arctic all the way to the South Pole in Antarctica. 14 countries, 17,000 miles, and experiencing everything from the coldest environment on the planet and some of the hilliest terrains in the world. So we're putting this vehicle through its toughest test, but it's showing its capability, and it's going to be an amazing adventure.
So with Aria, our teams globally poured their hearts and souls into the car and made this very special product. We designed that car with the vision that it would be fulfilling its role in many environments.
You know, the Aria looks like an expedition vehicle, and it warrants to be an expedition vehicle.
The attention to detail is exquisite, and it's just made the car look incredible, but kept the essence of the Aria, I think. They've never worked on an electric car before. So this is groundbreaking as an expedition, but it's groundbreaking for Arctic trucks.
We have a long experience with Nissan, and the Nissan vehicles, they have the right DNA, if I can word it that way, to work with. Well, I'm excited about the electrical motors and electrical drivetrain. It's definitely going to be our future. And so far, what we've seen from the Nissan and what we believe is going to be a really, really good step forward for us.
One thing that's really nice as well, when you go in, everything's exactly like a standard Aria. But other than the additions that we've put in the boot, the car is exactly the same.
And it's a comfortable space because it needs to be for our 10 months on the road, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's our home for the next 10 months of this expedition. So super, super excited.
I want to go now. Can we? I just want to drive it. I just want to go and drive it again. I just want to get out there more.
Very happy.